Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel with daily job notification, career guidance as well as interview tips. Today's job notification is the largest job notification in this session. So if you have come first time in our channel, please hit the subscribe button below of this video. So Amazon has published their notification for hiring freshers for the batch of 2021. BTech can apply for this job. Software development engineer position they are hiring. You can see CTC is 27 LPA. At the fresher level they are giving quite large salary, so it is a very good opportunity to all of you. Okay, so you can see the job profile name is software development engineer. Job ID is 1391296. The location will be Karnataka, Bangalore, ADCI. Experience required is BTech MCA can apply for this job. Batch eligible is 2021. Job description is given here. Do you want to solve business challenges through innovative technology? At Amazon, they hire best minds in technology to innovate and build on behalf of their customer. Software development engineer use cutting edge technology to solve complex problems. The challenges SDEs solve for Amazon are big and influence millions of customers, sellers and products around the world. So it is a pace of company where development cycles are measured in weeks, not years. If this sounds interesting to you, apply and come chart your own path at Amazon. By applying to this position, your application will be considered. For all location they are hiring for India. Okay, this includes, but this is not limited to Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Pune. So to all over India they can refer this application for you guys. To qualify, applicant should have earned a bachelor or master degree and must be graduate in 2021. So your key job responsibilities will be collaborate with experienced cross-disciplinary Amazonians to conceive, design and bring innovative product, design, build innovative technologies and also design, code the right solution starting with broad defined problems, work in agile environment to deliver high quality software. The basic qualification they are asking for, you must be currently enrolled in bachelor or master degree in computer science or computer engineering or related field at a time application. Familiarity with syntax of language like Java, C, C++ or Python, knowledge of computer science fundamentals such as object-oriented design, algorithm design and data structures, problem solving and complexity analysis. Preferred qualification, previous technical internship if you have done, plus point to you. Experience with distributed and multi-tiered system, algorithm and relational databases. Experience in optimization mathematics such as linear programming, non-linear optimization effectively. Articulate technical challenge, adapt at handling ambiguous and underdefined problems as well as to ability to think abstractly. So as the salary and the CTC is quite large, 27 LPA, so this drive will be quite difficult to you for all the students who are applying for this job. So I must say you must prepare very well for the interview as well as the online rounds of the selection. There must be coding questions for the selection round and after being passed in that coding round you will be interviewed by their team. HR interview will be taken place and also technical interview must be taken place. So after these 3 rounds they will decide that you are getting the job or not. Okay, I must say prepare very well for the interview and again I am saying everything is possible if you do practice and you set a goal for it. CTC is quite large, 27 LPA. All the best. Hope you will crack it. Thank you. So now the application process I will discuss. So click on the apply link. I will give this link in my description box. It will be redirected to the career website of Amazon Jobs website. So the position name is software development engineer. You can go through the notification once again here. So just click on apply now. They will ask for email address to proceed further. So you can log in with Amazon if you have the account, or if you don't have account, you just need to give here the email address, then you can click on continue. Or if you are not a registered candidate, so if you don't have an Amazon job account, then create one by clicking on create one button. So it is redirecting to the registration page. Okay, so there you need to give email address, password, you have to reselect the password, those things you have to fill there. Okay, so yeah, as I have mentioned, email address, password, reconfirm the password, create account. Then after logging into this page by using that email address continue page, you can directly apply for the post software development engineer. So this is the job notification for today. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. Keep subscribing us, keep motivating us. Don't forget to share your doubts in our comment section and share this video with your friends. Okay, thank you, have a great day, bye, we will meet in next video.